Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'm back with another Laravel plus Vue tutorial. So in this video I'll show you how you can display list in Vue. So in my previous video I've shown you how you can fetch data from Laravel from your API site. So that data we need to display in our list. So we'll be doing that in this video. So let's get started with today's video. So that's the view I have created in my previous video. Here you can see it's just having sample data because actual data I have not displayed. Now let me show you API response. So in inspect network tab you can see contact list, and inside that data, message and status. And if I'll show you DB, so in database also you can see I'm having 3 entries in contact table. So same are fetched and returned as a data in response. So in code in index function you can see contact model is used to fetch the data and then send as a response. So now let's quickly move forward to our component and displaying the data. So here you can see in methods get contact list, and here you can see I just right now console response. So we need to handle that response. So now write let's say this dot contact list because I have already created that variable inside my data. So now this contact list equals to response dot data. So now let me check status also here to show you that. So now let's hold status. So let's say let status equals to response dot data dot status. So if status is let's say 200, that everything is okay, then we will be going to put this contact list equals to response dot data. So now in contact list we have our data, so we need to display that. So now let's go to table, and in table row, in row we will be starting our loop. So in Vue for loop you can start with directive v4, and inside that we will be passing first one will be item, then index, and in after that you pass your array, that is contact list. So that's how you can write loop in Vue. And after that in td, so inside td write item dot name, and after that second will be item dot email, then item dot phone, item dot message, and last will be td is blank for actions. So now let's go and check in browser how our table is looking. So here you can see data is visible with 3 entries. So in action we will be defining let's say edit or delete. So now let's go and define edit and delete path also. So write router link, and after that 2, and the 2 will be let's say contact edit, and let's give a name of link edit only. So now let's go to browser and check how this one is displayed. So you can see edit as a link it's taking, but let's give some styling to it. So let's give bootstrap class, let's say btn primary. So here you can see now it's taking the as a button. So now let's do the same for delete button. So let's say contact delete, and let's change it to danger, and the name also delete. You can give icon also if you want to go for icons. So here I have shown you two as a like static root is there, but for edit and delete we will be having dynamic id. So for that too will be having dynamic. So for that you need to define colon in front of 2, so that indicates that it will have dynamic value. So now we need to change it to first path. So path will be url. So here path will be contact edit, and after that in that path I'm going to append item dot id. So now let's enclose two value in inverted commas, and let's change path into single inverted. So now let's do this same for contact delete also. So now let's copy this one and paste below, and now let's change path to contact delete. Nothing else to change. Now let's go and check in browser. Now let's go to contact list and refresh. So here you can see edit and delete with id it's going. So that's how you can display your data in a list. So I'm creating small videos so it will be easy to understand you and how you can create a CRUD system in Vue plus Laravel project. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. In my next video, I'll be showing you how you can do edit and delete. So if you have related to so if you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.